Let me ask you something. Are your top sales reps actually selling, or are they just highly paid data entry clerks? Because right now, the average rep's customer interaction time is down to like 25% of their day. There's a massive shift happening right now, driven by that viral success of autonomous tools like OpenClaw. But for sales leaders, the real disruption isn't just a cool developer trick, it's about the absolute death of manual CRM updates. We're moving from a passive software you have to log into to active agentic AI that acts as autonomous coworkers. Think of it as a 24/7 sales intern. So imagine this, you're a senior sales leader, you're staring at 2,000 rows of empty CRM data, your reps are on the field crushing it with calls, emailing clients, messaging them on WhatsApp, but Salesforce is a ghost town because they don't have time to update it. You need a way to make your team more efficient, not just buy another tool or license. So here's how OpenClaw style AI agents can solve that CRM bottleneck for you. The routing gateway. Modern agents integrate directly where your reps actually work, like Slack or WhatsApp. Your rep shoots a quick voice note to the agent, and the agent autonomously structures the data and updates the CRM. Then you want to automate the admin. Stop wasting time on post-call summaries. Get an agent to listen to the meeting, pull out the action items, and update the deal stages and drafts personalized emails to go out that you approve. The 30% lift. This isn't about saving time, it's about winning. Early adopters who use AI to automate hyper-personalization at scale are reporting 30% or better improvements in their win rate. That's big. So if you try to run an advanced AI agent on top of a messy CRM, not a good idea. Again, it's the whole garbage in, garbage out problem. Feeding an AI tool incomplete or outdated CRM data is going to inevitably lead to flawed customer segmentation, lost deals, and just make you sound bad. This isn't about replacing your sales rep, it's about using AI's ability to double customer interaction time. That is how you turn a burned out team into a scalable revenue engine. So try this one out. Pick one repeatable admin task your sales team hates doing, maybe something after a sales call. Now write out those steps and imagine what kind of AI agent could own 80% of that. If you want to skip the trial and error and build high ROI workflows, check out our marketing and growth consult. This is Brains, Bots, and Business, where we're all in on AI. We'll catch you on the next one.